How to delete Reddit account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Reddit account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Reddit account permanently, all you have to do is just go to reddit.com and then you will see this type of interface. Then what you need to do is you need to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to make sure that you are logged in, and here you'll find settings. Once you go to settings, you'll find the option called account settings, so tap on it. And when you go to the option called account settings, you will see this type of interface where you just need to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option called delete account. You just have to tap the red icon that says delete account, and it will ask you for a couple of other information. So when you tap on it, you should be able to fill in those details and successfully delete your Reddit account. This way you'll be able to delete Reddit account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.